Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Ford F-250 Super Duty. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 6.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Ford is a great value with less than 45,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include air filtration, front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, cruise control, power steering, power windows, battery saver, smartphone integration, digital odometer, external temperature display, body side reinforcements, child seat anchors, parking sensors, power door locks, stability control, traction control, wireless data link, tow hooks, trailer hitch, rear privacy glass, window defogger, and keyless entry.